Tensions between Pakistan and Afghanistan sharply escalated after attempted drone attacks and intense cross-border fighting along Pakistan's western frontier. According to Pakistani officials, terrorists attempted to launch small drones targeting Abbottabad, Swabi, and Nonshera. All drones were intercepted and destroyed by Pakistan's anti-drone defense systems, with no casualties reported. At the same time, heavy exchanges of fire were reported in broader districts including Muhammad, South Waziristan, and Khyber, prompting heightened security deployments and aerial surveillance across the sensitive areas. Pakistan says its forces carried out retaliatory operations after what it described as unprovoked aggression from across the border, capturing several Afghan Taliban positions and targeting military installations allegedly linked to the militant activity. Amid the rapidly evolving situation, the military media wing held a major press conference to outline Pakistan's official position and operational response. Here are the key takeaways from the press conference by ISPR Director General Lieutenant General Ahmed Sharif Chaudhry. First, the military framed the recent escalation as a coordinated aggression involving militant groups operating from Afghan territory. The DG ISPR described the Afghan Taliban regime as what he called as a master's proxy, supporting terrorist organizations targeting Pakistan.
जो अफगान तालिबान रजीम है उसने एक सो कॉल्ड एक्शन किया, उसको बुनियाद बना के पाकिस्तान ने दहशतगर्दों को तहरीक तालिबान पाकिस्तान, जिसको वो खुद तहरीक तालिबान पाकिस्तान कहते हैं, फितना अल खवारिज, उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया, उनके ठिकानों को निशाना बनाया. The nation in collusion and in support of a terrorist organization, which is a internationally declared terrorist organization, Fitna al-Khawarij aka TTP. And that's what happened last night. इन हमलों ने, हमें तो ये बिल्कुल वाज़ेह है, हम ये खुल के कहते हैं कि ये मास्टर प्रॉक्सी है, जिसके नीचे ये मुख्तलिफ दहशतगर्द प्रॉक्सीज जो सी हैं, वो यूनाइटेड नेशन की रिपोर्ट खुद कहती है 21 के करीब वहाँ पे दहशतगर्द प्रॉक्सीज जो सी हैं इस मास्टर प्रॉक्सी के नीचे काम कर रही हैं.
Second, the army confirmed that Pakistan launched intelligence-based strikes under Operation Ghazab Lil Haq, targeting military objectives across 22 locations in Afghanistan, including Kabul, Kandahar, Paktia, Nangarhar, Khost, and Paktika. According to the military, these targets included commander headquarters, ammunition depots, logistical bases, and facilities allegedly used by militants.
लेकिन कल दुनिया पूरी ने देखा कि किस तरह वो फिजिकली उसकी सपोर्ट में उसके साथ आई. एंड देन द वर्ल्ड एंड द पाकिस्तान आल्सो सॉ द रिस्पांस, एंड द रिस्पांस, वी वर रेडी, विजिलेंट. द पाकिस्तान आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, पाकिस्तान आर्मी responded immediately and effectively. At all 53 locations, the attack was repulsed. At no one location, they could not make any success. They came with quadcopters, armed quadcopters, वो भी लाए, छोटे और बड़े हथियार भी लेके आए, उनके क्वाडकॉप्टर्स भी गिराए, उनके हथियार भी खामोश किए.
The spokesperson stressed that the operations were carefully planned to avoid civilian casualties and were limited strictly to military infrastructure. Third, the military shared operational figures from the ongoing response. According to the briefing, Pakistani forces destroyed dozens of Afghan Taliban posts and captured multiple positions along the border. The army said 274 Taliban fighters and affiliated militants were killed, with more than 400 were injured. Heavy military equipment, including tanks, artillery systems, and armored vehicles, were also destroyed.
पाकिस्तान की अफवाज ने उसको मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया. I'll give you the details of that. अब तक जो ये ऑपरेशन गजब लिल हक चल रहा है, अब तक इसमें 274 तालिबान रजीम के अहलकार और ख्वारिज जहन्नम वासिल किए जा चुके हैं. 400 से जायद जख्मी हैं. अफगान तालिबान रजीम की 73 पोस्टें मुकम्मल तबाह की जा चुकी हैं. 73 पोस्ट along the Pak-Afghan border have been totally destroyed. Other than that, 18 posts are in our possession. They have been captured. Other than that, अब तक एक मोहतात और ये कंजर्वेटिव हम एस्टिमेट्स आपको दे रहे हैं। एज पर कंजर्वेटिव एस्टिमेट्स 115 टैंक्स, बख्तरबंद गाड़ियां और अटरली पीसेस अफगान तालिबान रजीम की फोर्सेस की तबाह की जा चुकी हैं।
However, the DGISPR confirmed that Pakistan also suffered losses. 12 Pakistani soldiers were martyred while defending the country's territorial integrity. 27 others were injured, and one soldier remains missing in action.
ख़वातीन और हज़रात, पाकिस्तान के नामूस और पाकिस्तान की टेरिटोरियल इंटेग्रिटी को सेफगार्ड करते हुए ऑपरेशन में अब तक इस बहादुर फौज के 12 सपूतों ने जाम शहादत नोश किया है, जबकि 27 जख्मी हैं और एक सोल्जर मिसिंग इन एक्शन है।
Another key point highlighted during the briefing was the attempted drone attacks inside Pakistan. The military said rudimentary drones launched towards cities, including Abbottabad and Naunshera, were neutralized, calling the incident evidence of growing coordination between militant networks and elements across the border. The DGISPR also issued a strong warning, stating that any group carrying out attacks inside Pakistan, along with those providing shelter to support, would not find safe havens anywhere.
इसलिए ये ज़रूरी है कि ये वाज़े कर दिया जाए कि पाकिस्तान में अगर कोई किसी जगह पे, किसी शहर में कोई दहशतगर्दी का वाक़या कराता है, कोई सुसाइड बॉम्बिंग होती है, जिस तरह वो क्लेम करते हैं कि हम करेंगे, करवाएंगे, तो इसका जवाब ना सिर्फ दहशतगर्दों को, उनके सरपरस्तों को, बल्कि उनके तहफ़्फ़ुज़ करने वालों को, जहाँ पे वो हैं, फिर उनकी भी कोई जगह महफूज नहीं होगी. Then we also have the equal rights.
Finally, the military called on Afghanistan Taliban's authorities to make what it described as a clear and strategic choice between maintaining relations with Pakistan or continuing to host militant organizations operating against it.